In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a list in ClickUp. By the end, you'll confidently make a clean copy of any list so you can reuse your structure, keep your work organized, and save a ton of setup time. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in your browser or the desktop app, whichever you normally use. Make sure you're logged into the right workspace and that you have access to the area where the list lives. If you're collaborating with a team, it's a good idea to double check you're in the correct workspace before you start so you don't accidentally copy the wrong list. Next, head to the specific space that contains the list you want to copy. Once you're in that space, locate the list you plan to duplicate. Look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options or ellipsis menu, associated with that item. This small icon is your shortcut to actions you can take on the list without opening a bunch of extra screens. Clicking those three dots helps you work faster while staying exactly where you are in the hierarchy. From that menu, choose Duplicate. ClickUp will prompt you to enter a name for the new list. Give it a clear descriptive title so you and your teammates instantly know what it's for. A quick tip here, include context in the name, like the project, team, or date, to make it easy to search and avoid confusion with the original. Keeping a simple naming pattern now will save time later as your workspace grows. Once you've typed in the new name and you're confident you're copying the correct list, click Duplicate again to confirm. Depending on the size of your list, the copy may appear almost instantly, or it might take a moment. You'll see the new list show up inside the same space, and it will mirror the original structure so you can jump right into planning or execution without rebuilding anything from scratch. And that's it. That's how you copy a list in ClickUp. Open your account, navigate to the space, use the three-dot menu on the list you want to copy, select Duplicate, enter a clear name, and confirm by clicking Duplicate again. This quick workflow keeps your processes consistent and your projects moving. If you ever need to repeat a reliable setup, making a duplicate is the fastest and cleanest way to start. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.